Hello. In this lesson, we're going to look at the number one topic of British small talk. First, what is small talk? It's when we talk about something that isn't important just to be sociable with people. One person says a sentence or question, and the other person agrees or says something with a similar idea. First, we need to check this vocabulary. So we have all the verbs. So to snow, the sun shines, to rain, to be windy. And then we have the nouns. Snow, sun, rain, wind. And then we have the adjectives. Snowy, sunny, rainy, or windy. We can make small talk by using a sentence, a question, or a sentence with a question tag. With a sentence, I have 3 sentences for you. It looks like, and then the noun. So this is when we are saying, oh, we expect or we think it's going to do this kind of weather. So it looks like rain. It looks like snow. The next one, less formal, looks like rain with the noun. If we've had one kind of weather on one day and the next day we think it's going to be the same, we can use looks like another adjective, day. For example, looks like another hot day. When we answer these, we generally agree with the person. So we can say, and nod our head. Yes. It does. You're right. That's informal. Now, using a question. Isn't it a adjective? Day. Isn't it a hot day? And we can answer, yes. Yes, isn't it? Can you believe all this? Noun. Can you believe all this snow? And we answer this with, no, I can't believe it. So, can you believe all this snow? No, I can't. No. We can also use a question tag sentence. So it's a positive sentence and we add a couple of words at the end to make it into a question. We could say, lovely weather, isn't it? Bad weather, isn't it? And for this we can answer, yes, or yes, isn't it? Another question tag we can use is, it's a lovely day, isn't it? So we have lovely, windy, rainy, hot or cold, isn't it? And to answer this one, we also agree, so yes, or yes, isn't it? So now you know some useful ways to make small talk. Small talk is useful in an elevator, before a meeting, or when you see someone you know, but you don't know them very well. This is Kim. If you've enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe, turn on the bell so you get notified when I have a new video. And have a great day.